Count your subscriptions right now. Count every AI tool, every funnel builder, every email platform that you're paying for, because that stack of tabs and logins is the exact reason you're busy but broke. Hey, Jeff, welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. And today we're going to talk about trying to keep you out of the complete overwhelm that is online right now with all these AI tools, and give you an opportunity to see a platform that I'm working with that has all that under one roof. So hang on and let's unpack it. So I'm about to show you my 45-minute workflow, all for one price. And that's my whole day, 45 minutes. And look, I'm not saying that to be dramatic. Let's get dramatic. I want you to actually pull up your bank statement right now, however you keep track of whatever your costs are, and add up every single recurring charge that has anything to do with your online business. Your funnel software, your email platform, marketing platform, your AI writing assistant, your hosting, your landing page builder, add it all up. Go ahead, I'll wait, because here's what I'm gonna to walk you through today. Okay, how to use the Home Business Academy as your one and done marketing platform. Is that even possible? Let's take a look at it as we dive in a little deeper here. One login, one dashboard, 45 minutes a day to an hour, and then you close the laptop and go live your life. Wow, right? Big promise. A lot goes into it, but it can be done. So before I show you the actual workflow, you need to understand that what you're doing right now is actually working against you. And it has nothing to do with effort. Stick with me, because the math I'm about to break down might honestly make you a little upset. So here's the problem. We have too many choices right now with AI, way too many. Every day there's a new one coming through on your Facebook feed or your YouTube advertising or wherever you see advertising at. There's an AI tool for writing, an AI tool for images, an AI tool for video, an AI tool for scheduling, an AI tool for analytics, and every single week there's a new one that promises to be the one that finally makes everything click. So what do? You buy it. That quietly turns into another $20 a month, and then another one and another one. If you bought each one of the AI tools out there, you would be totally overwhelmed before you ever make a single dollar. Not because the tools are bad, because your brain is now split across 9 dashboards, 14 passwords, and to-do lists that look like a CVS receipt. If you've been to CVS and got medicine, you know what I'm talking about. You sit down to work, and the first 30 minutes is just figuring out which tab to open. That's not a business. That's digital hoarding. That is a cool way to explain it. When I saw that, I thought, yeah, that's it. Digital hoarding. I love it. And here's what nobody tells you about that kind of overwhelm. It doesn't just waste your time, it kills your execution. You spend so much energy comparing options, watching tutorials, setting up integrations between tools that were never designed to talk to each other to begin with, that you never actually do the thing that makes money. You never press publish. You never send the email. You never launch the page, which, by the way, I launched a new page today. I'll have that down in the description area for you. And it will talk about the 4-step video blueprint, and is a training that I have put together. It's a free training, and it helps you get those first YouTube videos out there and publish. Just like we said a minute ago, you may never hit publish because you're so overwhelmed with everything else. This will help you hit publish. It's a free training. And we also do a live call with that, Zoom call with it, on Tuesday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So look for that down in the description area. So think about it. The person making real money online isn't the one with the fanciest tech stack. I never thought I'd use the word tech stack before, but there it is. It's the person who picked one thing, learned it, and executed every single day, just like I am doing right now. I am learning how to use a tool in my back office of the Home Business Academy. It's called the Traffic Manifesto, and it helped me to put this video together. And it even has a script prompt, okay? It writes the script for you, read through it a few times, and then it puts it up. So I'm looking at it right now as I'm talking to you. All right. And and executed every single day is part of that script. Now, Am I going to get to a point where I sound more comfortable and not like I'm reading using this prompt? Yeah, probably will. At least that's what I'm hoping to do, because it's really hard for me to keep everything focused on notes and, without, I tend to go left and right. I tend to go down a lot of rabbit holes, and that's where I've had some problems making videos. So we're going to learn how to use this teleprompter. And yes, I am, what's the word? Doing extra. There's a word for it. I'm doing extra along with whatever this teleprompter's got me set up to talk about. Okay. So while everyone else is still shopping for the perfect setup, now here's where it gets interesting. With one platform that has the tools built in, you can do two super important things for your business. Number one, you'll have less overwhelm, just like I told you. I'm creating videos with these tools that are in this platform. Yes, I'm using a teleprompter and I'm reading this video, being totally transparent with you, because I want to cut down on the overwhelm. I want to cut down on the, oh my gosh, why do I talk about this? Is my topic idea. Why do I talk about this thing? Helps me figure that out. Okay. Two, more profit. Ding, 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 cha-ching, right? More profit. How do we get more profit? So let's break those down, because they're more connected than you think. Less overwhelm is obvious, right? We just talked about it. One login, one place where your funnels live, your emails go out. Yes, this platform also has an email autoresponder built into it. Okay. So if you've got like 5 email autoresponders out there, you can nix them and put it all under one, and you're good to go. Your AI tools work, your content gets built, just like I'm building this video right now. You're not bouncing between MailChimp and ClickFunnels and ChatGPT and WordPress and whatever else you duct taped together last month. One thing I got to tell you, being totally transparent again, I got to be able to look at the camera and read the teleprompter at the same time. Okay, it's a little tough. They're a little gapped out, a little too far. So we'll have to work on that. So you sit down, you open one thing, that's this platform, and you know exactly what to do. Not at first. There's a learning curve. Okay, you got to learn your way around the platform. You got to learn. You do have to set a few things up, but they have made it as simple as freaking possible to make this as easy on you as you can. I didn't use all the tools when I first got started, and I'm relearning all the tools. And within 48 hours, I've already put together a small funnel, which is that 4-step video blueprint. And again, that link will be down in the description area for you to check out. And I didn't know how to use this traffic manifesto, and how to, I knew we had a teleprompter somewhere. I didn't know how to use it, didn't know where it was at, found it, and we're using it. So now in the next few times that I use this, I can sit down and know exactly what to do. That alone changes everything about how your morning feels. Instead of dread, you've got a clear path. But the profit piece, that's where most people don't connect the dots. We already talked about the overwhelm that comes from owning too many of these tools. What we also need to look at is the money saved with a one and done platform. Because with more money saved, you naturally become more profitable without finding a single new customer. Cut out all that extra expense, cut out all that overhead, and let's look at how we put this together under one roof. So let's talk real numbers. Pull up what you're actually spending. I did here in this last week. I sat down and wrote out everything that I had and everything that I was spending to decide to continue to move forward with this. So your funnel software usually comes around 97 to 297 a month, depending on which one. Email marketing, another 30 to 100 bucks. AI assistant tools, maybe 20 here, 40 there. Hosting, 15 to 50. You're looking at 200, 300, maybe even $400 or more a month just to keep the lights on across all these platforms. And half of them you barely use. I found myself with that. I had to look real hard at one that I really, really like to help me with YouTube videos. And I decided if I can do it in here, if I can do it on this platform, then I don't need that one. It was a tough call. Now, compare that to the one flat price that we've talked about. It covers everything. Every dollar you stop leaking across those 6 or 7 or 8 subscriptions is a dollar that drops straight into your bottom line. You didn't have to run a new ad. You didn't have to find a new customer. You just stopped the bleeding. And that's what I did this past week. I stopped the bleeding. So that's real profit. That's money that stays in your pocket. And it happened because you did one thing. you simplified. And I'm going to be straight with you, as I have been throughout this video. I know what it feels like to look at something online and think, yeah, right, I've heard this before. I've been burned, and I have. A lot of you watching this have tried programs before that promise the world and deliver a login page and a bunch of training videos nobody ever finishes. I actually had to sit through and force myself to sit through some training videos to learn how to make the funnel that I produced over the last day and a half. I get it. The skepticism is earned for sure. What made me look at this differently was how simple it actually is. For product, a turnkey system, not 47 modules, and a private Facebook group where nobody answers your questions. They do, actually. The Home Business Academy was completely rebuilt in 2025. It is a whole new look. They've added a ton of tools. And of course, AI is a big part of what we're talking about. And when I saw that it was one platform with everything already in place, funnels, email, AI, the whole thing, I thought, okay, this is the kind of setup where I can actually sit down for 45 minutes to an hour, do my work, and be done. And that's exactly what it turned out to be. My daily workflow is embarrassingly simple. I put this workflow right here tonight together as we talk. Okay. I went into Traffic Manifesto. I read through it. I started it up. I fired up some things to put this video together. And here we are, ready to finish up probably within an hour. It's been about an hour, maybe even an hour and a half for tonight because I'm still getting used to, first time I've used the tool. So I'm not grinding for 8 hours. I'm not on the phone all day for sure. I'm not chatting with strangers on Facebook until midnight. I open one dashboard. I check what needs attention. I create or schedule my content, and I let the system handle the rest. 45 minutes to an hour. Then I close the laptop and I'm with my family, or in case tonight I have an all-in meeting with my sponsor to the Home Business Academy that I will jump in on and say hi to her and to the team, and then we will see what else needs to be done. So I'm living my life. I'm doing what I actually want to do with my day. And if you understand that, then we can be friends. So by the way, if you're serious about building residual income without duct taping 10 tools together, being a digital hoarder, I put together a page that breaks down exactly how this turnkey system works, where 80 cents of every dollar comes back to you. If you sell the system to somebody else, if you sell the tools to somebody else, 80% commissions across the board. And the system does the selling in most cases, so you don't have to. Now, I'm doing a little bit of that myself tonight by creating this video, but once you go to the system and you listen to everything there, yeah, it's doing the selling. It's doing the final selling for me. I got you interested, hopefully enough that you'll go take a look. And if you go take a look, it'll do the rest for me, okay? And of course, you'll be able to reach me for any questions. Just go to jeffbeemanonline247.com. And actually, I will have that link needs to be edited. I will have that correct link down in the description area and probably down on the comment section as well. Okay, come and see the full breakdown. The link's in the description below, and we are out. I will see you in the next video.